Day 18. Making requests politely. Can, could, would. Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Learn English with Tips. I am so happy you are here today. This is Day 18 of our journey together, and today we are talking about something very useful, something you will use every single day. Today's topic is making requests politely with can, could, and would. What does this mean? It means asking for things nicely. It means sounding polite, not rude. It means getting help from people in a kind and respectful way. Let's think about this for a moment. Every day we ask for things. We ask for help. We ask for information. We ask for favors. And how we ask, it matters. It matters a lot. Now, before we start, let me remind you how to listen to this episode. Listen slowly. Listen calmly. There is no rush here. If you hear a sentence you like, you can pause and repeat it out loud. This is called shadowing. It helps your mouth remember the words. It helps your brain remember the sounds. You do not need a pen. You do not need a notebook. You just need your ears and your heart. So, my friend, take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Let go of any stress from today. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin together. Let's talk about a common struggle. Many learners know the words can, could, and would, but they don't know when to use them. They feel confused. They feel nervous. They worry about sounding rude or sounding strange. It's normal to feel confused here. It's normal to mix them up. It's normal to hesitate before you speak. You are not alone in this. Let me give you one picture to help you understand. Think of these 3 words like 3 doors. Each door opens into a room, but each room feels a little different. Can opens into a casual room with friends. Could opens into a polite room for most situations. Would opens into a very soft, gentle room for special requests. Now let's open these doors together with 3 simple tips. Tip number 1. Use can with friends and family. It is friendly. It is relaxed. For example, you can say, "Can you pass the salt? This is warm." This is easy. This is how we talk with people close to us. Tip number 2. Use could in most everyday situations. It is polite and it is safe. You can say, "Could you help me with this bag?" This word works almost everywhere. In a shop, at work, on the street. Could is your reliable friend. Tip number 3. Use would when you want to sound extra gentle or extra formal. You can say, "Would you mind opening the window?" This sentence feels soft. It feels careful. It shows real respect for the other person. 3 doors, 3 rooms, 3 tools for you. You don't need to memorize grammar rules. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice, 1 sentence at a time. Okay, in this part of the episode, I will talk about something a little deeper. I will talk about how to sound natural, how to notice your progress, and how to keep going even when it feels difficult. And my friend, you may notice something. My sentences are getting a little longer now. This is on purpose. I am doing this slowly, step by step, because your ears are learning too, and a small challenge at the right moment helps you grow stronger. So let's continue with a few more tips, a bit deeper this time. Tip number 1. Add small polite words like please or phrases like if you don't mind to make your request even softer. For example, instead of just saying, "Could you help me?" you can say, "Could you help me, please, if you don't mind?" This small addition changes the feeling completely, and it shows that you understand not just the words, but the warmth behind them. Tip number 2. Notice your progress by listening to yourself. Are you saying, "Could you," more naturally now, without stopping to think? Are you feeling less afraid to ask questions in English? These small changes, they are proof. They are proof that your brain is working, even when you cannot see it working. Tip number 3. When you make a mistake, don't stop. Don't give up. A setback is not the end of your journey. It is simply one small step on a very long path. So ask yourself, my friend, how did I feel about requests before this episode? How do I feel now? What is one polite request I can practice today? Here is a real example, something you can say out loud right now with me. Repeat after me slowly. "Excuse me, would you mind helping me with this, please?" Say it again with confidence. Feel those words in your mouth. Now, my friend, let's zoom out for a moment and think about the bigger picture, because this lesson today is not only about grammar, it is about your future and about the doors that polite English can open for you in real life. Think about a job interview where you need to ask a question with confidence and respect. Think about traveling to a new country where you need to ask a stranger for directions in a way that feels warm and friendly. Think about making new friends from different cultures and showing them through your words that you are kind and thoughtful and respectful. These small words, can, could, and would, they carry something bigger than grammar. They carry connection. They carry trust. They carry the kind of respect that opens hearts and opens doors wherever you go in the world. My friend, you have made it to the end of this episode. I want you to know something. I am proud of you, really, truly proud of you. You showed up today. You listened, you practiced, and you kept going, even when the sentences became a little longer, a little more challenging. Let's remember what we learned together today. We learned how to use can with friends, could in everyday situations, and would when we want to sound extra gentle and respectful. And remember this, my friend. It doesn't matter if you still make mistakes. It doesn't matter if you need more time to feel confident. What matters is that you keep practicing, one small sentence at a time. I'm your host, and this is Learn English with Tips. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.